Hello everybody, it's the Red Road Homestead again, and I'm getting ready to plant these peppers and tomatoes, and I'm just going to show you what I've did so far. As you see, got my drill out, and I drilled holes in all of these buckets. I've got 3 eggs because I have 3 tomato plants. I have some bone meal. Something got in my greenhouse and ate up almost all my bone meals. So we'll be using that today. And then I got one of my old buckets. So I'll show you what we're going to do. And this is how easy, if you don't have garden. My problem was too much heat, not enough rain. Even though I was going out there and hand watering the garden, which some of it is coming back. But if you don't have that kind of land, you can do just like I've been doing over here, and they're doing good. These are my tomato plants. Let me see if I can get over the edge here. And they're all in buckets. And look how tall they are. The ground's way down there. So, yeah. This is how you can do your garden. Whether you got a deck on an apartment or just a little space, this is how you can do it. So, let's get started. Don't mind my old ragged shirt when you see it with stains because it's my work shirt. And I'm going to try to get this to where you guys can see. I'm trying to think of what I can set it on here. What I'm going to do is I'll fill the buckets and bring them up here. We'll do the peppers first because they're the easiest. And let's see if I can just set you up on my stand here at my work. And I just got to see where the camera's facing. And yeah, that'll give me enough room as long as I know it's right by the buckets. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do the peppers first. And I'm going to get my gloves on, and we'll get started. Just going to use the little buckets to start out with for the peppers, because I want the bigger buckets for the tomatoes, because they get quite a bit heavier. So let me get these little buckets out, and we'll get started. So let me get some dirt. I gotta scoop this dirt out because the bags are a little heavy and I don't lift real good. So I'll be back there in a minute. Get this dirt in the bucket. That's about all I need for the peppers. And let me move this over in case it's in the way. And I'm just going to get one of my pepper plants and stick him in. Remember to save your cups and things when you first buy plants, if you do buy plants at Tractor Supply or your local co-op or Walmart's or something, because you can reuse them and for quite some time. So there's my pepper plant. I got him pretty close to the leaves, but not to where the leaves are touching. And there you go. Next, what I'm going to do is the tomato plant to show you how to plant your tomatoes. Let me get some dirt here. Now, I'll show you what I'm doing. I've put that much dirt in there, hopefully you can see. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take an egg, and I'm putting an egg in there. It gives extra calcium and gives ingredients that the tomato plant can feed off of. I'm going to put some more dirt in. Now next, what I want to do is I'm going to put some of my bone meal in here, into this, for the tomatoes. It's also calcium. And I'm going to mix it up in the dirt, just like so. And I'm going to add a little bit more dirt. Okay, now I got that added. Now I'm going to get one of my tomato plants. I think I'll get my big one up here. See if I can get to it. Oh. And next, what you want to do is you're going to plant these pretty deep. So I'm going to take this lower leaf, little branch off here, so he's not in the dirt or touching the dirt. There we go. And I'm going to take him out of his little cup. I'm going to loosen these roots up. And now I'm going to stick him in here. And let me show you. Here you go. He's sitting right there. Now I'm going to add more dirt. And I'm going to add it to about right here. So, you want to plant them a little bit deeper. I'll see if I can get you back up here again. Hopefully you can see. And I'm going to go get some more dirt. I could actually lift the bag now, so hopefully you can see this. I'll check here in a second. I got so many buckets for them. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. And we got a 38% chance of rain today. We haven't had any. I doubt we're going to get it, though, 38%, but I'm hoping so. The These are going to go out right where my other tomatoes are. So it's really simple to start your own container garden. And my container garden's doing better than the garden this year. I'm not sure what in the can, so I'm hoping I get lots. Let me spread this around a little bit. Yeah, I need more. Might do it. Let's see. Yep, there we go. And now all I'm going to do is give them some water. I'm not going to make you watch me replant all of these. Just giving you an idea of what you can do. I'm going to give them some water here, and not on the plant itself, but in the dirt. And there you go. That's how I do my container gardens. I hope it helped you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. I also have a Amazon wish list if you want to help me get some tomato cages or some soil. And my PayPal, I'll list it on my About page. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and grow something, will ya? Have a good one. Shedwars 22, Team Aquarius, we're the frogs. Ribbit, ribbit.